Hey guys, it's EasySyncs here. Today I'll be showing you how to copy and paste tags. So as you see here, I already have my tags. I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly delete them. But anyways, you want to go and find your tags that you want to paste. So once you have that, what you do first is you hold shift and you click on the first tag, and then you click on the last tag while holding shift, and then you can stop holding shift. After that, what you want to do is you want to press Control C, spam it a couple of times to make sure that you've copied it. Then after that, you go to the video in which you want to paste the tags. So for the sake of the video, I uploaded something as a test to preview that it works. And now what you want to do is you want to press Control V, and then you should have it. Also, another helpful thing that you can do too, the quick way of deleting tags, would be to just do the same thing that you did, except for pressing Control C and Control V, you would be pressing backspace. So here's what you would do. First thing you do is you hold shift, click on the first tag or the last tag, doesn't matter in which order you do it. And then after that, what you would do is you could tap on backspace and you should be good. It should be gone. So if anyone's struggling with this or is having any issues, comment them below and I'll do my best to help. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Peace.